Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw from our lesson today on scientific notation. So there's a couple different ways that you can do it, but the easiest way is you're going to go to Insert, you're going to go down to Drawing and hit New. So when you do this, it's going to pop up this screen right here. You can also go directly to Google Drawing if you prefer, but it's completely up to you if you want to keep it in your notes or not. I'm going to hit the text box and I'm going to type in the number that I want. So for example, if I'm dealing with scientific notation and I want a number, the number 89,100 and 100. Let's do that. Okay, you can add a comma if you really want to, that's completely fine. So I'm going to highlight this and make it just a little bit larger, probably about 30 or so. You can make it as large as you want. It depends on how large you want to make it. And how large you draw your swoops to show that you know how to do it. So you're going to click out of that so you're not highlighted to it. One of the cool things that you're going to do is you're going to select line. You're going to go down here to curve. The reason why is because you can shape it however you want. So since I'm going to put this number from standard form into scientific notation, I know that I need to start at the end here of my number in order to put a decimal. So if you click it, you'll see this blue line. You can bring it down, bring it back up, bring it down. To every spot, you're going to move the decimal. Now this might seem a little bit time consuming, especially if there's a lot of numbers, but once you get all the way to the end, see how there's like I can connect it somewhere else? What you're going to do is when you're done, just click in the same spot, and that's how you do that. So I want to specifically make sure that I know, hey, I know where the decimal is. You're going to have to play around with these. The last two buttons here are how my line starts and how it ends. So you can make your line super thick, like as thick as you want, really super thin, however in particular you want it. And if I wanted the end here to be off, I'd just do it like that. But once I'm done, it'll show up like that. Then what I'm going to do is hit save and close, and that's how I put it in there. Now I can drag it and make it super large or super tiny, however much I want to. But if I accidentally messed up and I really don't like the font, or the swoops are just a little bit too large for me, what I can do in order to change it, you don't have to delete it. You can hit edit or double click it, and now I can edit it back up. So there you go. There's the first part for you. Have fun with it. Definitely get used to using Google Docs for now. And this is a great tool, especially if you want to keep everything online, but you want to draw it out. And you can make it super, again, you can make it super big or super small to fit into a docs. Have a great day, guys.